Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how to see the friend request you sent on Roblox. So let's start. Okay, so first you need to log into your Roblox account. So I have mine here already opened on the browser. And what you can do is go to Friends. And from here, go to Requests. Okay, so this one here, these are the requests you receive from other people and not the request that you sent to them. So in Roblox, there is no feature that you can use to see the request that you sent. The only thing that you can do is manually check the request that you sent. Now, to do this, you can go to the search bar here and you can type the name of your friend. So let's say, for example, this one. Now from here, you can see if you've already sent a request to a particular user. Alright, so right off this moment, there is no feature in Roblox where you can use to see all the requests that you sent. So if you want to know if the request or if you want to see the request, you really need to manually type the name of the person and see if you've already sent them a friend request. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.